only CIOs to drive tinted cars. The 3rd of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent, Harare, in a sweeping directive likely to stir debate across Zimbabwe. The Secretary for Presidential Affairs, Tafadzwa Mugyuti, has announced an immediate nationwide ban on tinted car windows, with exemptions only for government and VIP transport vehicles. Mugyuti, who is also linked to the Central Intelligence Organization, CIO, said the measure was prompted by a surge in crimes carried out in vehicles with obscured windows. These include the recent rape of a grade 7 girl in an omnibus, armed robberies using unmarked mshikashikas, illegal taxis, and the transportation of illicit drugs. We call upon all provinces to enforce a complete ban, except for government vehicles and VIP vehicles or those manufactured with a standard shade of tints, Mugyuti declared on Tuesday. He warned that non-compliance would attract tough penalties. We will not allow any commuter omnibus to operate with tinted windows. Please remove your tinted windows immediately, or the police will do it for you, or your vehicle will be impounded. The announcement effectively gives state officials and security-linked vehicles exclusive rights to operate with tinted windows, fueling criticism that the ruling elite is tightening privileges for itself, while ordinary citizens bear the brunt of restrictions. Analysts predict the ban will hit the transport sector hardest, with commuter omnibus operators and private motorists expected to spend heavily on window replacements to comply with the directive.